Good morning to all. In this video series, we have to see the temperature measurement. Okay. Already we saw the angular measurements. Already told important measurements is the form measurement, advanced measurement, temperature measurement, force measurement. So these are the main important measurements in our metrology area. Okay. So in our metrology areas, last video series we have to see the angular measurement by using the sine bar, how to measure the angle of the workpieces. So these are the procedures will be already done. Okay, good. Next we have to see the temperature measurements. So temperature measurements is a lot of measuring instruments is there, like the thermometer, a thermocouple, and also thermostrip, bimetallic strip. So these thermistors and thermal resistance, thermal electrical resistors. So the lot of measuring instruments mainly used for the to measure the temperature of the surfaces. Okay. So before the going to the measurements, I have to see one example. What is the conduction, convection radiations? That is very important. Okay. So conduction means you have to same phase, the temperature will be transferred from same phases. Same phases means I have to take the one solid workpieces. This is a scale. So in this scale, solid to solid or liquid to liquid or gas to gas. So this is the one of the same solid surfaces conductions. Okay. So this is one of the main conduction value. Convection means you have to transfer the heat from different phases, that is the solid to liquid or liquid to air or solid to air. So this is a convection. So convection means the heat transfer from different phases, that is if select the solids or liquids or gases. But same phases means that is a solid only solid, liquid only liquid. So the same phases means that is also totally different. Okay. So same phases is the conduction, different phases is the convections. Radiation is totally different. Okay. So this is the one of the K type thermocouple. Mainly two type of thermocouple is there. One is the K type and the second one is the J type thermocouple. So this is the main important one, the thermostrip. So it is mainly used for to measure the temperature. So simply I put the one tank, or if anyone taken out the liquid, simply you heat the water level. Okay. So the normal water boiling temperature is the 100 degrees Celsius. So the room temperature is the almost near 35-39 degrees Celsius. So you simply you heat the water 40 degrees Celsius to 90 or 80 degrees Celsius. Simply you measure the value of the temperature by using thermometer. What is the value of the 40 and what is the range of the 50 and what is the range of the 60. At the same time is indicate the reading to measure the temperature values. At the same time it indicates the reading same output. That is also very important in our temperature measurements. Okay. So this is the main important one, the thermostrip. Thermostrip is the very important. It is straightly dipped on the workpieces. It is straightly dipped on the tank. So simply you have tank collect the water levels. So simply you heat the water and to measure the temperature values. Okay. So this is the main two ways. One is the positive terminal and second one is the negative terminal. So the positive negative terminal is both are very important. The both junction is connected means you have to zero position, that is the zero settings, that is a positive, one of the negatives. So simply you have phase changes or likely the temperature changes or electrical voltage changes. So both are equal, that is one of the positive and another one is the negative. Okay. So these two categories, two differences to measure the temperature of the water, to measure the temperature of the water. So it's having the plug point also. Simply you connect with the plug point. So switch on the electric switch and so easily the meter will be directly on. So the meter on button is this is the on button value. So simply you indicate the reading, this reading. So you have to show the thermometer in the 40 means it shows 38, 39 or 41, 42. So you have simply you take down the readings. 41, 42. So you heat the water, again the water at the 50 degrees Celsius, simply you put down the reading 52 or 53, and again you heat the water 60 degrees Celsius, simply you to measure the values. So this is the easily method of the temperature measurement. Thank you.